Hello everyone. So my name is Sonalika Mohanty. So myself and my friend Pooja Sahu, we both will be sharing some of our insights about the very trending news, which is very trending these days. It's about the Vodafone Idea merger company coming up with a different brand image and brand name and also a brand new logo. So talking about it, they have been saying how Idea Cellular and Vodafone India have come together to form Vodafone Idea, and now they will be sharing a different new brand called VI, or just pronounced as Vi. So they're mostly looking at targeting customers and bring them back from the rivals like Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio. So actually, it's very much important now for the telecom companies, since over the last 2 years it has been steadily losing its customers. For instance, at time of merger in 2018, Vodafone India had almost 408 million subscribers. However, as of last reported results, the telecom company has around 280 to 290 million customers. Compared to this, the rival companies, Jio, Airtel, they have been increasing the number of customers, mostly for the 4G thing, which everyone is using these days. So that's very much increasing the number of subscribers and customers. But then the critical point comes for the telecom company when it came up with the news that it announced last week or last to last week that it is planning to raise money or funds of rupees 25,000 crore as of a mix of debt and equity. So now, why is it important to have a brand new image? So it's a big question. So according to the brand experts, all this while the Idea Cellular has focused for rural customers, whereas Vodafone played to the urban customers. So, however, the network integration is almost complete. But the telecom company wants now to focus on its brand. So, I mean, is it going to be a easy one? So I don't think so, and not many would think like that, because people are so much used to, these Vodafone Idea and listening to that. So it would be very difficult for the people to adapt to a different new brand, and I think that it would take pretty much time for people to accept this new brand. Even though it would be difficult for the people to adapt to this new brand or accept this new brand, but it's actually trying to attract its customers, because recently it announced a new work from home prepaid plan that is priced at rupees 351. So it's actually the first prepaid plan by VI since its new brand identity. It comes with total internet data of 100 GB, and it has a validity of 36 days, and it's just an add-on, I mean, to the main plan. Like Geo has this kind of a plan, like it's of around 50 GB for 28 days. So it's giving good competition, and let's see how people react to it. And also, VI will be the co-presenting sponsor of IPL 2020. The telecom operators, Vodafone Idea, have been big sponsors during cricket, but they were off the field since 2018. But they are coming up this year with a different new avatar. So let's see how it performs in the market.
So now adding some more points, it is reported that Vodafone Idea is trying to improve its credit ratings. This is because they want the global investors to understand that Vodafone Idea is going to be there in the market for a long run. Vodafone Group, one of the parent companies, has mentioned that they will not be issuing any fresh equity, but Aditya Birla Group, on the other hand, has not disclosed anything about it. But it all depends on the customers whether they are ready to accept the new brand or not. The Vodafone Idea company has opted for a fundraising plan because they have an AGR due of rupees 50,400 crore for 10 years. The company and the government had earlier asked the Supreme Court for a 20 years period, but later on the Supreme Court came up with a verdict that all telecom companies have to pay their AGR dues over the next 10 years. Vodafone Idea, being one of the telecom companies with the highest AGR dues, will start paying its installments from March 2022 instead of March 2021 because it has already paid more than 10% of its official AGR dues to the government. Therefore, the company is trying its level best to raise its fund through various sources and various investors so as to pay its rest of the AGR dues. Further, the company is trying to invest for network expansion, holding on to their present customer base and attracting new customer base in near future. So Vodafone Idea is trying to give a tough competition to its rivals in market. So we can say the rebranding strategy of Vodafone Idea to VI is because they wanted to raise fund in order to meet the AGR dues and for further expansion. Hope this information is helpful to you. Thank you and have a nice day.